Welcome to Taiji's Origami Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make this decorative box. Folding each pieces is really easy, but putting it together may take a little bit of practice, but I think it's manageable. And I think the shape is just really cute, and I think it's just neat to give presents in these kind of boxes. So I really hope you give this a try yourself. Then, let's get started. Okay, let's make the decorative box. For the top part, I'm going to use one sheet, and for the bottom part, I'm going to use another sheet. To make this, I need to separate this into 4 pieces. If you want to make a really big box, you can use 4 of these big sheets for the top and 4 sheets for the bottom. Then you can also make a big box. Today, I'm going to make a small size box like this. And so for that, I'm going to need 2 sheets, and each of them I'm going to separate into 4 parts. And so I'm going to fold in half like this. And also in the other direction. And then this, I'm just going to cut along this folded line. And the other one as well. And also in the other direction. And then with that, I have 8 sheets of paper. So I'm going to first show how to make this with one sheet. So I'm going to flip the other side and first fold it in half like this diagonally. And open it also in the other direction. Then I'm going to bring one corner to the center, like this. Then I'm going to open, and then I bring the other corner to this just made line right here, like this. And then I'm going to fold it in half like this. So now I'm going to bring this point to this point, folding along this line, and making sure this line will be parallel to this line right here. So like this. And just like that. Then I'm going to fold the bottom paper also the same way, just like that. And then I'm going to open. Then I'm going to bring this line to this line, just like that. And then I'm going to take one sheet like this. There's already a fold line, so I'm going to push this line, and then this comes on the corner like this. And then you have one corner of this sheet, just like this. Then I'm going to make the same thing 3 more times. So bring corner to corner, also on the other side. Then I'm going to bring the corner to the center, and then open. And then I'm going to bring the other corner to this point, and then fold in half like this. Then I'm going to bring this point to this point, and also the other sheet. And then open, and then bring in this line to this line, like that. And then take this and stick my finger here, open like this, bring this wall up like that. Then that's that. So then with that, I have these 3 pieces finished. So putting these together is principle-wise, it's not that very difficult, but in reality, paper have thickness, so it gets a little bit difficult if you're not used to this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open one of the corner like this, and I'm gonna stick the other corner right in here like this. And the other side look like this, and you just need to keep doing the same thing. So I'm gonna take another one, I'm gonna stick this right in here, and put it in here like this, stick it in all the way as far as it goes. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So this part should go above this. So I'm gonna have to put it under right here, like this. And then this corner is going to come in here, like this, just like that. And then on the other side, this goes in here, like that. And then just have to adjust everywhere, like this. Stick it in little by little. And then, just like that, the top part is finished. Then let's make the bottom part. So I'm gonna fold in half like this, rectangle. And also in the other direction. Then open. Then we'll bring this line to the center line, just like that. And then we're gonna bring this line to this line, just like that. Then we're gonna bring this line to this line, folding along here. And not all the way, and just to this point, like this, and then I'm going to open like this, and then just like that, then this is finished. Then we just have to repeat 3 more times. So fold in half like this, and also in the other direction. And open, then bring this up right here, and then fold this like this, and fold along this line. Not all the way, just stopping here, and then this folds down like this, and then the walls come up like this. So then with that, I have 4 pieces. So I'm gonna do this kind of similar thing what I did with the top. So I'm just gonna take 2 parts. So I'm gonna open from the side, and this is going to actually go right in here, like this. And just stick this in here, all the way, like this. And then gonna do the same thing. Open from the side. This is gonna go in right here, like this. Stick it in like this, and also here, like this. Stick it in as much as it goes. And the last part gets a little bit tricky because you wanna put it in here like this. And then this goes above here. So the last piece gets a little bit tricky, but you just kind of be patient and then lightly tap from the side like this, and then it just goes in like that. And then with that, the bottom is finished. And then this matches perfectly like this, and fits perfectly like this. So if you compare them, you can see that the bottom part is a little bit smaller than the top part, and that's why they match perfectly and fits perfectly like this and works as a box like this. And then with that, this decorative box is finished. So as you saw, making this decorative box is not that difficult. Like I said, putting it together may take a little bit of practice, but I think it's manageable. If you're having difficulty with putting it smaller pieces, then try folding each pieces with a bigger paper, then I think it's definitely manageable. So I really hope you give these a try yourself. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. If you have any questions or requests or any feedback, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.